everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Sorry I could not upload any recipes during this lockdown period, obviously for the obvious reasons. So here I am with a new recipe of tawa, very easy to make and protein packed recipe and very healthy, and you only need very few ingredients for making this, so it is very apt for this crisis time. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now let's start making tawa egg masala. For that, here in a pan I'm going to take oil. Even though it's called tawa, but I don't have a large tawa, so I'm using this frying pan. If you have large tawa, you can use this. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of white oil, which is now nice and hot. Now to that I am going to add half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and let it splutter over medium flame. I am going to cook the most of the recipe over medium flame. Do remember that. Next I am going to add 1 medium sized onion sliced. Now I am going to fry it over medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes I am going to add bell peppers or capsicum. Here I have taken half of green bell pepper or capsicum sliced. Yeah, I know it's orangish in color because the green bell pepper I got was turning into a red one, so it's nice in color. It becomes colorful, that's why. So next goes 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it and fry it over medium flame for a minute. Next I'm going to add salt for taste as well as for sweating up the veggies. Mix them. Next goes tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 medium sized tomatoes and sliced them as well, and 2 green chilies chopped. If you are making this for kids, or if you don't want your egg masala to be very spicy, then use only 1 or just omit the green chilies. But green chilies will definitely enhance the flavor. After 2 minutes I am going to add the dry ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder haldi. At this stage don't forget to lower or sim the gas to the lowest. Then goes half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. All of that add it over low flame so that the masala does not get burned. Now I'm going to mix them thoroughly with the veggies. It's done. Next, half teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomatoes. Mix it as well. This also provide a very nice color to it because we are adding it now. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water little by little. And now mix everything up, and over high flame I'm going to let it simmer. So turn the heat to the highest and simmer it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we are back, and as you can see the water has dried up and the veggies are now softened up, but still they are holding their shape and there is crunch in them. Next goes in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it as well. Next I'm adding boiled eggs. Here I have taken 2 boiled egg, hard boiled egg, which I have sliced like this, and add them as well. Light handedly mix them so that they don't get broken. Next I am going to add just a little bit of water more 1/4 cup of water so that the eggs soak up some gravy, and after 1 to 2 minutes it's done. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander chopped, mix them, and it's done. Take it out on a plate and serve it hot with some Indian bread. It can be normal roti, rumali roti, or paratha. It's delicious. Do make this recipe for your family in this time of crisis, and let me know in the comment section below how it was. And take care everyone, and don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.